The Mamaroneck Town Council held a public hearing on a proposed law that bans firearms in certain town buildings. On Wednesday evening, VFW Post 1156 was filled with those who wished to comment on the proposed law. Town Attorney William Maker explained the law was drafted with the safety of employees and visitors in mind. Buildings under the proposed gun ban include the Town Center, Hommocks Ice Rink, Weaver Street Firehouse, and the Senior Center, which occupies the VFW Post 1156. Exempt personnel include police officers. Members of the public expressed both support and opposition to the proposed law.
As I understand it, a similar law was proposed 2 years ago, as has been discussed. Very few residents came out in support of it at that time. I don't believe this is because the residents opposed it, rather that we were simply not paying attention. I think it's safe to say that times have changed. People are waking up to the need to stem the terrible epidemic of gun violence we're experiencing in this country.
This proposal and others like it are nothing but political agenda. They're not addressing the problem, they're not solving the problem. It's bad law, it's bad governance, and only serves to prosecute those who have not been responsible for the violence. Instead, what is needed is a frank and realistic discussion of the very complex reasons for what we see today. But that seems to be impossible because of the prerequisite and de rigueur attacks on firearm ownership, which precede such things.
Residents are welcome to contact the Town Council with any further concerns and comments on the proposed law, and the public hearing was adjourned until the next council meeting in July.